C-Star. Yeah. Listen. Truth all day. It's what's called evil tendencies. C-Star, KCRD. Look. It's like my days are getting better, but life's getting worse. Sounds contradictory. It sounds absurd, but I do feel surrounded by evil in this atmosphere. Kinda strange that I'm not walking in fear. Another contradiction. Maybe I'm evil inside. Maybe I'm reborn as soon as I die. Or maybe once I close my eyes, that's it. Kinda scary when you think about it. Imagine going to bed and never waking up. Imagine in the night one time your heart just stopped. How I'm feeling lately, it's like time's going fast. Reminiscing of times that were once my past. Wouldn't change it though, but would change the people, cause some of them are not, more just full of evil. And I'm a good guy with evil tendencies. When I turn to God, I find the remedies. Yet people try to convince me come back church. You have fun, man, you're trapped in this world. I believe in God and Jesus, but not the same way. If God created me, He want me to play. If God created me, He want me to experience life and stop doing certain things when the time is right. I can't never have fun in my life like I'm gonna be getting high and drunk tonight. Like I'm gonna be having a blast tonight. If you disagree, remove yourself from my life. If you wanna use me for money to get lost, cause it happened in the past, tell me cold like frost. Let me think through life. Conclusion, made me think twice that most homeboys will suck it off for the right price. Most homeboys will be there when you have those silly little boys and silly a-holes. C-Star.